Thank you for tuning in to another episode. We are locked in here. We are live and direct. We are back, and I feel better than ever. I am ready to conquer today. How are you guys feeling? It feels amazing to be back. I love that I'm back with every single one of you. I missed you guys, and I love you deeply. Every single one of you out there watching me right now, look at me. I'm looking right at you. I'm looking at the camera. I love every single one of you. I love these streams. This is what I do. I love this, and I love that I'm back. You know what, guys? I took the night off yesterday, and I just didn't feel right. I needed to be back with each and every single one of you. I love you guys so much. We're going to see if we can catch an amazing trade tonight on gold. I have a bearish bias. I'm hoping we can get a beautiful short. If not, no big deal. We're going to stick to our rules, stick to our risk management. We're going to stick to our data-driven edge in the market. And that's all you can do, right? Hopefully we get a beautiful trade here tonight. I'm extremely blessed and extremely excited to be here for another episode of the Asia session with your boy TG. I got stuff in my face. With your boy TG. Feels good to be here. And I just want to say thank you so much for every single one of you that's tuning in. I love you guys so much. I haven't looked at the chat yet. Obviously, let me get through my sponsorships. You guys know the spiel by now. I get through my sponsorships, then I look at the chat and I greet every single one of you. Like I said, thank you to everyone in the ChartFanatics team, Rizzy Boy, Josh, and everyone behind the scenes, Marco, Big Mike. We got some new people that we're bringing onto the team too, and it's just we're growing and it's happening fast. Thank you to everyone who's in the Discord. I'm just super appreciative and blessed to be here for another amazing night. Not only for trading, but psychology. We're going to answer some questions. We're going to entertain you guys as always. And of course, we're going to be doing the ducky races at the end of tonight's episode. So let's lock the hell in, right? Let's get our sponsorships out of the way. Hold on, let me take a sip from my chalice here. Take a sip from my chalice. Now let's get into our sponsorships. To my right, Funded Next. They're giving 15% of what you make in the evaluation stage. A well-established firm in the space, paying out millions and millions of dollars. An amazing CFD prop firm, code CF at fundednext.com. I wish I could trade with them. I wish I could. Amazing prop firm. If you guys aren't utilizing Funded Next, you guys should be using them, man. They've been long-standing firm in the business and also paying you for what you make in the evaluation stage. And get the free 5-minute weekly newsletter at themarketjournal.com. Themarketjournal.com. And the prop firm trader to compare and contrast all your various different prop firms in one cohesive place, whether it's rules, regulations, different account sizes, equity drawdown, balance-based drawdown, rules, regulations, and reviews. The prop firm trader has got you covered. The prop firm trader, go check it out. An all-in-one cohesive platform to compare and contrast various different prop firms of your choice. The prop firm trader's got you covered. And TradeZella, code CF20 at TradeZella.com. The most undervalued, underutilized platform. Every single trader that's watching this and every single trader that's in the Discord should be utilizing this. This is what builds profitability right here. Data-driven edge, back testing, making refinements, journaling, holding yourself accountable. TradeZella has that all-in-one cohesive platform. Code CF20 gets you 20% off at TradeZella. And of course, I think we're going to be doing it either a 3-month or a 6 months TradeZella tonight. And the final sponsor of today's episode, my favorite, of course, you know who it is. Hold on here. Apex Trader Funding. We only got 50% off right now. The best platform in the entire industry. Scale up to 20 accounts to reach an uncapped payout of your choice of what you can make on the accounts. 50% off right now at ApexTraderFunding.com. Code CF. It's only 50%. I'm sure they're going to be running an 80% very, very soon. Hoping a 90% comes around. I'm talking to the people in the space. Hopefully there will be a 90% soon. But for right now, we got 50% off at ApexTraderFunding.com. And I'm your host, Tyler John Gotel. Let's get into tonight's episode. Let me say what's up to everyone here. Oh, here's the Discord. Oh, here's my silver trade. If you guys don't know, I'm in on this silver trade right now, and I think that we're going to keep dumping. And this is looking phenomenal right now. It's looking phenomenal. We are underway for a what we call is, this is a plummet to the bottom of the earth right now. Plummeting to the bottom of the earth. So, yo. Oh, shit. Turn the music down. I forgot to turn the freaking music down. Guys, the whole time I did that with... Guys. Oops. Guys, I forgot to turn the music down. Well, you know what? I forgot to turn the music down. Oh, that was an accident. I just happened to check my... You know what, guys? Ah, shit. Ah, fuck. I forgot to turn the music down again. Well, guys, accident. You know what? These things happen. This is showbiz. Guys, this is showbiz. The show goes on. This is showbiz. Things happen. You just flow with it. You just let it flow. This is the showbiz, and things happen. Things freaking happen. I forgot to turn the music down. I got too excited. I've been out of my groove. I haven't streamed in a few days. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Accident. But anyway, guys, unbelievable. You know what? Sometimes I make mistakes. You know what? What can you do? You can only grow from it, right? Yo, you gotta see what's going on in the group chat right now. Alright. Well, guys, let me address the chat. Guys, how we doing? Who's in here? Who's up in here right now? Let me say what's up to everyone. Ali. Munan. SFS. Mario Jose Gonzalez. Nazir. MP. Ahmad. MacD. Ibrahim. Malik. Ikro. John. Who else is in here? Chris CJ. TNG Fan Vlog. Ibrahim. Who's up in here? Neo. Navdeep. Who else is here? Dexter. 2 times. Shrimpy Sauce. Oh, there's my brother. Mansoor. What's good? Nico. Chris CJ. Balarezo. BCL Legends TV. Investor Stars. Gavin. Who else is in here? Who's in here? Who else is in here? Kyle Patterson. Road Trader. Conroy. SVJ. Only Dylan. Mukhtar. MP. Scratch Off Millionaires. Criminal Kingdom. Razor. Babs Toy Truck. Scratch Off Millionaires. John Doe. Investars. Who else is in here? I seen people up here. Tim Korth. Neo. I already said Neo. Air 23. Nico. Razor 123. Hell yeah. SFS. What's good, everyone? Yo, look at Silver. Guys, if you don't know, wow. I gotta text my boy. I gotta text my boy Charlie real quick. I gotta text Charlie boy real quick. Cause me and Charlie boy are in on these freaking. Yo. Silver. I just texted Charlie boy. This is my boy. And we're in on this silver trade. Guys, I took this trade here. This is my entry on this position. It was right here. Boom. And I am sitting pretty right now. I'm a little over a 1 to 10 RR. Look at this thing dump. Look at this beautiful dump. How's Goldie looking? Sorry, guys. I'm just getting excited. How's Goldie looking? Goldie's got to be dumping, right? Is Goldie dumping? Whoa! Goldie, down she goes. Dang, yo. I want to be able to get an entry tonight on this. I want to be able to get a sick-ass entry. Goldie dumping. Wow. Look at Goldie go. Holy cowabunga, dude. What a dump. Yeah, this thing's gonna plummet, bro. This is gonna go down, down, down. Hopefully we can get an entry. Guys, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not looking for longs at all. I'm extreme. Holy cow. Look at this thing rip. This thing is dumping, bro. I'm hoping that we can get an A+ setup. Maybe, listen, guys, maybe we can get this big move here, right? And then we could create some sort of CRT inside of a fair value gap, right? And then take a potential short lower. That kind of be my narrative. I'm not looking for longs tonight. I'm really not. My bias is short because based off of what I'm seeing on the higher time frames right now, I really just want to see a continuation short. Hopefully, this could be a strong move down. And then, you know, during, how do I draw here? During the session tonight, right? Bear with me here. During the session tonight, we can get some sort of move here, maybe a CRT, right? And then a continuation back down lower. That's kind of where I would be looking right now. So, you know, we're going to see how this plays out, opening up Asia strong with a strong move down. And let's see if we can catch something. A continuation. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so this is kind of the plan tonight. Hopefully we can get something. This could be a strong move at the open. And what I would want to see is some sort of move, tap back into this 15-minute fair value gap, right? Create some sort of CRT where we sweep a high. Also inside of a 15-minute fair value gap, this would be a high confluence to go lower. That's kind of where my mind is pointing tonight and where my bias is centered around tonight. That's really what I want to see. And if I don't see anything like that, I'm cool with not taking a trade, right? And we just gotta wait. Obviously, we opened up extremely strong, extremely volatile here in Asia. But yeah, guys, I've really just been liking Asia session lately. Just, it's so clean. It's my favorite. It's my favorite to trade. I know it sounds insane, but Asia and London have just been my two favorite sessions to trade right now, specifically Asia. The moves in Asia have been so clean, man. And I've just been loving it. I've been loving it. So let's see if we can catch something. Gold is literally melting. It's melting. Yeah, bear with me. Yeah, end of the month approach. Look at this freaking thing go, man. And this is one thing that I was talking to my friend about, and my friends when I was out to lunch with them. I was like, you know what? And I'm just gonna talk to you guys about what I was talking to my friends about, because all of my friends are trading they're all traders. So when we go out to lunch, we're talking about trading and stuff, and I was just saying to them is like, yo, you remember when I told you guys, like, do you remember when I told you, like, I was only a long, for the people that have been following me, I used to only be a long bias trader, right? But I've been seeing in my data, and I've been talking to my friends about it, yo, I've been liking shorting more. It moves. Do you guys notice when you get into a short, it moves so much faster, right? In a long, like, you know how they say, like, stairs up, elevator down? I just been noticing in my data, guys, when I get into some short plays, they move so fast. Virtually like zero drawdown, and the RR on them is astronomical, man. And it's just, and especially in, like, I've been backtesting silver, UJ, gold, like these short trades. I'm like, holy cow, man, they move so quick. Yeah, it's facts, right? Short. Do you guys feel the same way? I'm just going off my data, and I don't want to sound like stupid. I just feel like shorts move so fast, man. They move so insanely fast. It's like, it'll blow your mind. Like, you could be in a long, it could be consolidating. I'll get into a short setup, it'll hit TP in like 2 freaking candles, dude. And the candles won't even make sense. It'll be an astronomical dump. Astronomical. And I'm just like, you know what? Am I becoming more of like a person who likes to short the market now? And like I said, guys, I am always improving, and if I'm seeing better results in my data shorting, like, and it moves a lot quicker, it's like, wow, I'm really coming around to the shorting stuff, because I used to not. If you guys know me and follow me, I used to be like the bull train, bull only, and I guess just further development with my edge, I've really just been liking shorts, man, and I'm building an edge around shorting now. So, like I said, now I'm becoming an even better trader, right? I'm not only focused on longs, I'm focusing on shorts as well. Fear stronger than greed, yeah. Yeah. I read somewhere it's facts. I've noticed that recently. Yeah, man. Miss Lorena. Miss Lorena, you know what? I've seen you back in the Discord, Miss Lorena. I'm glad you're back. I missed you. Miss Lorena. I'm glad you're back. Tyler trades for days, my boy. I've always liked shorting better. Yeah. Oh, Dr. Steve's in here. Yo, what's good, Dr. Steve? I love shorts. Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. I just want to check my trade right now. Wow. Ooh. Hold on, I'm just checking. I'm checking my accounts real quick. Wowie. This is up. This is up nice, man. Whoa. One of my funding pips accounts alone. Remember I was sharing you my funding pips accounts? The last time I was trading on them, I think that they were at around $9,000 profits. Now only one of my accounts is at 10K, and the other account is at around 6,000. So we're up. I'm up 16K on just 2 accounts on this between my last trade and this current trade that I'm in on silver right now on this short. And I think it's gonna go a hell of a lot lower, man. A hell of a lot lower. Show us your account. Yeah. Here's one of my master accounts right here. Boom. This is up close to $6,000. That's just one of the accounts. This is E8. E8's up, wait, can you see this? E8's up 8K. 8K on E8. Boom. Floating. What else? Funder Pro. Let me get my other phone. Babe, where's my other phone? Funder Pro. Let me see here. Funder Pro, I'm up 3K. Can you see that? Funder Pro, I'm up. Guys, I didn't know. I wanted to take the trade on FTMO. I can't trade silver on FTMO. Are you kidding me? I couldn't trade silver. It's not available for me to trade. Like, I wanted to take this trade on FTMO so bad. But if I go to here, right? The only commodities I could trade on FTMO are gold and oil. I guess it's for US clients or whatever. But yeah, the only reason why I traded silver instead of gold is because the setup presented on silver instead of gold. I would have taken it on gold, but I didn't get the setup. I got it on silver. But I couldn't take it on FTMO. Because look, it says here, if I go to my symbols, right, on Oanda, and I go to commodities, I only have 2 available, gold and oil, and I don't trade oil. I was like, really? I can't trade silver? That's ridiculous. Yeah, so that was like weird. I don't know. But yeah, my accounts are looking good. Yeah. Yeah, I got 2 phones. 2 different phones. So I got this, guys, so when I had the whole hacking situation go on, a buddy of mine told me about the Google Pixel. He was saying, like, the Google Pixel is a super secure device, and I downloaded this software on it. It's called Graphene, and it's supposed to be, like, super secure. So this phone is literally, I don't get texts on it. I don't get anything. Look, the only app I have on here, it's literally Trade Locker. Look. It's literally the only app I have on this entire phone is a picture gallery and Trade Locker. This is just for trading. That's it. This is only for trading because I had a hacking situation go on and I needed a more secure device, and a buddy of mine put me onto this actually. So I got this phone, and then I have the iPhone 17. So I trade on these 2 phones, and then I also trade. I have some stuff on the computer too, but I'm trying to be more secure with my stuff and just make sure I'm protected. You know. Yo, Mikey boy, what's good? Can I explain my silver setup? Yeah, Yeah, of course, guys. I show you everything. Oh, and here was my 3rd account with funding pips. I actually wasn't some. My 3rd account with funding pips. I told you guys I'm funded. I got 2 one-step accounts right now with them. And then I'm working on this. I'm on phase 2 of this other 100K, and I was in some drawdown. So now this account's at 99. So I was in some drawdown. I was down like 3K. And we're looking good. I almost brought it back to break even, and I just need to get to $105,000 here to pass my 3rd account and be max allocated. So yeah, full transparency, I was in some drawdown on this account, but totally fine because literally one trade, literally half of a big trade for me will make up for it. So this is getting close to break even already. This is my 3rd account with funding pips. So that account's in drawdown right now. I'm up 3K. So yeah, if you could see that. You guys could see that, right? But yeah, I'm not hiding. Nothing to hide here. Nothing to hide. Completely open book. I wasn't drawdown on my Funding Pips account, but it's back to break even nearly. Yeah, SFS. A buddy of mine told me that it's super secure. So he's like, yo, if you want to really protect yourself, he goes, get the Google Pixel and download Graphene. I was like, I don't even know what any of this is. So I was like, all right, I got it. And it just creates it's like a super minimalistic thing. And I just use it here on my phone. And it's supposed to be really secure. I don't know. That's all I know. All I know is it's secure, and the only app I have on here is Trade Locker. This device is only for trading. That's it. Only for trading. It's only connected to Wi-Fi. It doesn't have a phone number, nothing. Just for trading. So I keep that here. That's my second device. And then, yeah, because sometimes I'm on the go, and I like to take my phone and just hook up to Wi-Fi. And then I trade on here, too, on my iPhone 17. Sound is breaking up. Check. Testing. Can you guys hear me okay? Check the sound. Oh, okay, hold on. Host mic. Is it better? Is it better? Is my sound better, chat? Is it a little better now? Let me know. How about now? Is it better? Fuck. Hold on. I'll figure this out. Let me call Ant. Now you just muted it? God damn it. We'll call Ant real quick. Is it good? It's good? Yo. Ant. Am I good? Am I good?
That's fine. Don't worry about it.
Okay. All right, bye. Ant, guys, Ant says it's good. Okay. The sound's good. All right. All right, so let's get some. Okay. Yo, you know what, guys? Let me show you some sauce real quick while we're waiting. I like this. This is what I want to see, guys. This is what I want to say. Right? This close, us come back, tap in here, tap, tippy tap, tap, back in here, right? Hold on, let me put, I want this to come all the way down here. Hold on, Grandma. Oh, wait, this is lagging a little bit. What's going on tonight? Okay. This is what I want to see. Boom. We'll get Grandma down here. This is the plan tonight. Okay? This is the plan tonight. We're going to set it up for Grandma. We're going to set things up for Grandma. Okay? This is what we want to see right now. Now, this is going to close in 6 minutes. Hopefully leave behind this fair value gap. I want to see us tap in here. Tippy tap back in. Create some sort of CRT, right? We'll go like this. Like a candle here. Boom. We take this out. Boom. Like this. Something like this. Do this. And then leave behind a fair value gap. Boom. And then we close back down here. Like this. Like this. That's what I want to see. This is something I want to see right here. Like that. That's the plan tonight. We're going to set Grandma up. We're going to set Grandma up for, for us to get a trade. Here's Granny down here. Right here. We're setting Grandma up. And we're looking good. Short sphere, more volatility. Drop it in. This is the plan tonight. This is what I want to see. Let me show you guys. Guys, I'm going to... You know what I want to show you? One thing real quick. I want to show you some shit right here. Let me show you some sauce right here, kid. Hold on. You want to see some sauce? Where is it? Check this out. Check this out. Okay? You ready? Watch this. Here it is. Check this out. If you get... Check this CRT play out. Ready? Watch this. This is kind of what the framework was for the silver trade, right? This is what the framework was. I had a tighter stop. Usually I'll keep my stop like above this high here, right? So we're inside. Look at this. This is a 30-minute chart. We're inside of a 30-minute fair value gap, right? Follow me here, chat. Follow me here. We're inside of a 30-minute fair value gap. We sweep the high. This is the CRT. Leave behind a fair value gap, right? We invert here, right? This is your BPR. Here. This is a BPR. Boom. Right? When we retest this zone, this is something else that I added in. You see how we're rejecting here? We have this trident model. This is what I call... Okay. This is something I added in. You see how we're now rejecting this zone as well? Boom. We rejected it here. We rejected it here, right? We have all these wicks through this zone here. We create the CRT. We're inside of this fair value gap. We're in the bottom Bollinger Band. We then sweep, close back inside, right? As long as you're inside the range of the wick, it's okay, right? We invert this fair value gap. Look at this. We're now testing this zone here, right? We create this swing high, and we're respecting. We respect it once, respect it twice. Boom. This is a previous entry I had. This was July 23rd, 2025. And when I get trades like this, man, I mean, they are huge, bro. This is a 1 to 15. I'm gonna teach you guys. I'm gonna teach you guys in one of the next webinars. We'll go over the 1 minute. We'll go over the double inversion, and then we'll talk about this. But this is what I took on silver, right? This is a previous setup, and then look, if we look at silver, right, on what I showed you guys on what I took. I go to here, CFD, boom. I'm not. Whoa, look at this candle back up. And this was the framework on the framework on the silver trade. Inside this fair value gap here. Boom. We create this CRT, right? We also this was my narrative behind the trade. We're inside this fair value gap, right? Bottom Bollinger Band. Bottom Bollinger Band inside the fair value gap. We also wicked the consequent encroachment and created CRT. So we wicked through the 50%, respected the 50% of this fair value gap, and created CRT. Then we inverted this fair value gap, which was also a BPR. Well, this wasn't a BPR. It was just a fair value gap. As soon as this candle closed, right? Well, yeah, as soon as this candle closed, I went short. And I had super tight stops. My stops were right here. It was right above. I was like, you know what? If I get stopped out of this, the risk to reward could be huge on this trade. And it's playing out great. Like right now, I'm up a little over... What is this right now? A 1 to 8? I'm up to like a 1 to 8. I mean, the trade was great, man. It was a great trade. It was a great trade. Let's go back to gold. What's going on? All right. This 15 is about to close. This is the fair value gap I want us to tap into, right? This is kind of the narrative for the night. Any window of time. Any window of time. You want to see TG drag Granny down the steps? Yeah, Mikey. I just been liking shorts more. There's not a strict time window for that. No, do not enter. You do not enter. There's no trade model yet. I told you what we want to look for. We want to be inside of this fair value gap here, right? We want to get in. We want to be inside of this fair value gap on 15, right? And then we need to find our model, right? You know our model that we look for now. We need to have our model, but ideally, if it happens inside of a fair value gap as well, even higher confluence, right? Because you're already inside of this PD array here. Let's see if we could pull something out. Let's see if we can get something good. We just got to be patient. We got to be patient. That's all you can do. There's no trade yet. Do not take a trade. There's no entry model. You are sitting and you are waiting. You are a sniper. Each and every single one of you. And I'm going to turn you guys into legit. You guys are going to be animals. You're going to be legit snipers. You're going to sit and you're going to wait behind the bush or behind whatever. You're going to wait behind the building, behind the bush, and you're just going to sit there and you're going to wait for the most perfect opportunity. And when that opportunity comes, it's going to pay you big, right? That's all you need to focus on. Stop focusing on these little itty bitty trades. Yeah, can it work? Of course. Can it work? But it's like you're putting more work in. That's how I see it, right? You can make money scalping 100%. To anybody that thinks that you can't make money scalping, you can. I'm just saying for me, it's a lot more mentally taxing to be a scalper, right? It takes up a lot more mental capital to be involved in the market so often, so frequently, have to make decisions so fast, right? So for me, and especially as a beginner trader for you guys, is I want to turn you guys into the best, traders who execute patience and are true snipers out there, right? You sit, you wait, you're like, you know what? I'm going to let all these people execute their trades and go for the little wins, right? That's fine. They'll have small RRs. They'll put in more mental capital. They'll start making more mistakes. And I'm just going to sit here patiently on the higher time frames, and I'm going to wait for amazing and beautiful setup. And when that setup comes, I know it's going to reward me big. And you know why? Because it's not rewarding me for my amazing technical abilities, but it's also going to be rewarding me on my patience. The market will reward you for your patience, man. It'll show you. It's like, you know what? You waited for this. Now I'm going to reward you. And it'll show you. It'll be a direct reflection, right? Once you wait for these trades, and I promise you, I bet there are a few traders that are in this chat that, started focusing more on the higher time frame, right? And executing patience. And I guarantee you, they're going to be like, you know what? It made all the world of a difference in my trading, right? Although I'm trading less, the mental capital that I'm providing is far less. I could stay sharp between the ears. I'm not looking at as many candlesticks. There's not as much noise going on in the market, and I'm really becoming a beast at this craft. And it takes to get to that point, right? And then when you become more experienced, can you go down to the smaller time frames, right? I've been doing this for 6 years. I'm just now. And I'm saying, guys, I barely trade the lower time frames, right? I have one model where I'll look for it. One model, and it has to be in a strict time criteria, right? There's one model that I'll utilize the lower time frames. Other than that, all of my shit is on the higher time frames, right? And I've been doing this for 6 years. So the best thing that I could recommend you do, if you're a beginner trader, even, guys, years 1, 2, 3, you're still a beginner. I promise you. I know it sucks, but if you focus on the higher time frame, one, it's going to save you a ton of fucking pain in the market. You're going to save yourself a ton of money from blowing evals by just trading less, right? The money that you're spending on nuking these evals and learning the hard way, you could see more profitability if you just wait and trade less. I promise. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but it's not. But it also is counterintuitive because 90% of the people that do this shit, right, aren't sustainable. So what do you need to do? The exact opposite of that, right? So I'm trying to teach you guys the mistakes that people make and what I've seen in the space, and not only that, of what I've done and I want to help fast track you guys in a way where you don't need to go and experience as much pain as I did, right? And if I can help you guys in some way, that means the world to me, and that'll be like, you know what, I saved a lot of people some years of hardship and pain by just, helping them have from the knowledge of what I personally went through, right? So, Robbie, you could trade futures on the higher time frame. I'm telling you right now. You could trade futures on the higher time frame. 100%. You could execute trades on the higher time frame on futures, without a doubt. And you know what? We'll do it together. And I'm going to take, you guys know, we're doing the Apex challenge, right? We're being extremely patient. I didn't even pass the eval yet. Right? And I don't care. Because I told you guys, I'm going to take it slow. And we're going to take that account to 6 figures in payouts, right? That's the goal. And that's what we're going to do. Hold on, I just want to check. Okay. I like this. This is exactly what I want to see right here. I don't want to see us invert this. But if we leave behind a fair value gap here, right? Boom. Like something like this. And then we come and sweep this high. Inside of this 15-minute. All I got to say is load the boats. If this happens, okay? If this happens, load the boats, all right? I like what this is doing. I think this could potentially be a big trade. This could be a big trade. This is what I was saying, right? I was like, okay, I want to see us come tap into this 15-minute fair value gap. Maybe the next candle, we sweep this high, close back in the range, and invert. We do that, load the boats, pal, because we're going real low. Oh, look who's in the chat. My boy, Uncle Charlie's here. Yo, Big Chaw. What's good, my boy? That's my brother, Uncle Charlie. He's here. If you guys don't know who Uncle Charlie is, go follow my boy on the socials. That's the homie right there. That's my boy. That's the Big Chaw trades right there. So, are we buying? No. I swing trade futures every day. Market open to next day market close. See, Miss Lorena? And Miss Lorena, how have things been? How have things been now that you've navigated to the higher time frame, right? Yo, hit the like button for your boy. All I ask is for a simple like. We're going to be doing some giveaways. We got amazing people in the chat. I miss my Uncle Charles. That's my boy. That's my boy Charlie. That's my boy. That's my brother. I met Charlie at the Alpha. We had a nice little Alpha event, right? Alpha event in at where was it? At Sexy Fish, and I met Charlie there, and we've been best friends ever since. Me and Charlie are best friends, and he's here in the chat, and that's my homie. Moheb, what's good? Big moves, big money. 100%, Miss Lorena. Are we still selling here? I would like to see this next candle, right? This candle's going to close in 6 minutes. Let's see what happens in the next 6 minutes, all right? Let's see what happens. But it is looking good. That's my guy, Uncle Charlie. Shorting gold soon? Yeah, I'm looking for shorts right now. This candle's going to close in 6 minutes, right? No risk, no worry. 6 minutes. Are we in the trade? We are not in a trade just yet. We are waiting patiently, right? So this is what we want to say. Let me draft you what could potentially go on here. And I hope this plays out because this could be big. So what we want to see is this candle close, and then we want to sweep this high, right? Create some CRT inside of this 15-minute fair value gap, which would be sexual. It would literally be sexual if we did that, and then invert. And then we're going to load the boats, and we're going to go shorter. That's what we're going to do. That's what we're hoping happens. And you know what? We're going to put it into existence here. You know why? Because I'm going to do a ritual. I'm going to do a ritual right now, guys. ICT. Create this CRT for me inside of this 15-minute fair value gap and sweep this liquidity. followed by an inversion fair value gap, so I may take this short trade on gold with my community. ICT, ICT, please create this CRT, sweeping said liquidity in this 15-minute FVG, followed by an inversion fair value gap for me, so I may take this trade with my community. ICT, ICT, please sweep this buy-side liquidity inside this 15-minute FVG, followed by an IFVG, so I may take this trade with my community. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so now the ritual's done. So essentially, since the ritual's done, right? Now it has to happen. It's happening. It's happening because we had the candle, right? And then now that we did the candle ceremony, I take a sip from my chalice. and I say, hoorah, hoorah, king of the castle, king of the castle. And I take a sip. Let me do my dance real quick. Oh, candle's out. Hold on, I have to light the candle back. It's out. The candle went out. Oh no. Guys, the candle went out. I can't light it yet because I'm gonna burn my finger. I can't light it just yet. I'm gonna burn my finger. Hold on. The candle went out. This is not good. The candle went out. Something happened. It was Michael. He did something. It's because let me call him real quick. Hold on. Let me call him real quick. Michael? Yeah? Hold on, guys. Guys, hold on. Be right back. Yeah. No. What do you mean? No. Well, yeah, I miss you too. No. Yeah. No. Stop it. What? No, I'm streaming, Michael. No, I can't do this right now. I can't. No, I can't flirt with you right now. No, because... No, I'm not. No. Because they're gonna think I'm weird. Well, yeah. No, yes, we're cuddling in the van tonight. Of course. Did you bring my Snuggie? Alright. What's for dinner? Oh. Really? You make cookies? Oh. Oh, you... The coconut oil? Where? Michael! Oh my gosh! Michael! Stop! The coconut oil? Where? No! I can't repeat that on the air. I can't repeat that on the air. Are you kidding me? Michael. Well, yeah. Well, yeah, I did the ritual. Well, did you blow the candle out? Yeah? Well, no, yeah. I did the ritual already. You can't blow the candle out. I'm gonna be there later. Alright. Yeah, I'll nibble on your ear. I gotta go. I gotta go. Alright, Michael. See you later, bud. Alright, bye. Oh my god. Did you guys hear that? Wait, I wasn't muted? Wait for... Did you guys hear that? I just got... Oh god. Well, I meant to mute myself, but you know, so... Did you hear the part... You heard the part with the coconut oil? Did you hear the part with the coconut oil? Oh, God. 14 viewers dropped. We heard Granny. You're gonna be 10 minutes too far. Cat's out of the bag. Alright. Is this candle close? Alright, we got 12 seconds till this candle closes. 12 seconds. Let's see what we get here. So ideally, right? All right, nice. So we closed over this 50%, which is cool, right? I want to see us come and sweep this high. Now the plan is here, guys. The plan is to sweep this high. We need to sweep this high and leave behind a fair value gap. This is what we need right now. This is what Granny needs a new pair. Granny needs a new hip. So we need to sweep this high. And we're inside this 15-minute fair value gap. This could be nice, man. This could be really good. But we have to sweep the high. Please, Granny, sweep it. That's all I ask. We have this fair value gap here. Boom. Perfect. All right. This is the narrative right now, right? Look at this. Look at this. Did it get the high? All right. Got the high. We got the high. We got the high. Now we need to close. Now we got... Let me check GC on... Let me check futures. Okay. Futures is good. Did we get the high here? We did not get the high in futures. We got it in CFDs. We got it on FXCM, but we did not get it here. All right. Now we just did. Oh, no, we didn't. We're right there. Go get that high. All right. So we got it on FXCM, but we didn't get it on here, on the futures chart, right? What's the high here? High is 40.97. 40.97. Yep. All right. There's the high there on futures. And now what we really want to see is this next 15-minute candle. Leave behind this fair value gap. Right? And close back in the range. That's what we want to see. That's the plan here. That's the plan tonight. We got to see this close back inside the range. We got it on futures. So, let's see. We need this to close bearish. Well, we don't need it to close bearish. Ideally, would I like it to close bearish? Yes. I want this to be a nice big wick how this closes. So let's see how it plays out, right? We swept the high. That's the high sweep we need. But, right, this could very well drive higher into this PD array instead, right? And then we could potentially get a setup up here. So we're not counted out right away. If this candle closes above the high, there could be another potential, right? Ideally, would I like it here? Yeah, of course, right? But we just got to wait and see what the market gives us. Like I said, we react to what the market does. We don't predict. We simply just react. Whatever the market does and shows its hand, as you guys know, if we look at this, right, we did close over the 50% of the fair value gap, right? Oh, no, we didn't. We did not close over the 50%. We did here. On CFDs, we closed over the 50%, but on futures, we did not. So let's just wait patiently, right? Check the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, sure. Yeah, no, I'm still bearish on this 1 hour time frame. For sure. Right? This is what it could do, right? We could drive back up in here, right? And mess around and then drive a lot lower. But if this hourly candle, right? I'm going to tell you right now, this is going to be a huge draw on liquidity now. This is a huge draw on liquidity. This is like a data wick. Right? This is a big draw now. So, price could mess around here in this 1 hour fair value gap, right? And then come right back down to this wick down here. Right? It's not a data wick. It's just this is like a, we would call this a wick magnet. Wick price magnet. That's what this is right now. It's a big wick. And essentially, look at this. Okay. You do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get down there. Yes. Get down there. Get down there, Grandma. Hold on. Here you go. Hold on, guys. I don't want to hit it too hard. You remember what happened when I hit it too hard last time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, I can't hit it harder than that. This looks good. If you close right there, Grandma, if you close right there, I'll be a very happy boy. And I'll do all my homework, and I'll take you, Granny, I'll take you out to the hoedown. I'll let you hang out with old man Jenkins. Yeah, I know he ruined your hip and your L7 vertebrae, but you keep going back for more. Close right there, Granny, please. Stay right there. Don't move. Please don't move. This looks so delicious. This looks so incredibly delicious right now. Here's the cookies, Grandma. Here are the cookies. How are we looking at that? Oh, beautiful. Guys, please let this close like this. Please. I beg of you. I beg of you. Please close like this. Go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Old man Jenkins. Grandma, please. No, go down, Grandma. Go down. Down. Yes. Good, Granny. You go down there. Go down there. It's okay. Granny, let your hair down. It's okay. Let your hair down. Yes. Let your hair down, Grandma. It's okay. I know you're tired. You've been on a bull run for the past freaking 8 weeks. Go let your hair down, Grandma. Relax. Go to the salon. Get your nails done. Get your back rubbed, Granny. It's okay. It's fine. It's okay to relax. You go down there. Don't even worry about it. It's okay. We're all here for you. We're all here. Don't you worry about it, Grandma. You go down there. You let your hair down, all right? Let your hair down. It's okay. You don't want to go up there. You're tired. You're exhausted. You get the granny riz. Oh, guys. And if you want access to these indicators for a small fee of $99.99 per month, you can have access to the hammer, the cookies, and you could even have access to Grandma. For a small monthly fee of $99.99. This could all be yours. You know what I mean? All of it. This is called the Grandma Bundle. This is called the Granny Bundle. And you know what? You won't need another indicator in your entire life. It's called the Grandma Bundle. And listen, you guys may think, oh, Tyler, that sounds steep. $99.99. You're charging $100 a month for these indicators? Well, guys, can you put a price on profitability? No. Guess what? Zeusy didn't. Zeusy had no price on it. Romeo and Zeusy. You know, if they could do it, I can do it. So, I'm going to follow in my fellow leaders' footsteps. Zeusy, Inner Circle Morpheus, Romeo, all these amazing profitable traders, right? What do they got one thing in common? They sell you nonsense. So, why can't I do it too? For just a small fee, you could be like Zeusy and Romeo. You know? It's amazing. But wait, there's more. For an extra $5 a month, you and your friends can come and visit Michael in the van in Brickell. For just an added cost. Yo, look who's here. Just in time. Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. Look who's here, just in time. Tyler Trades, my boy. My boy's here. Tyler Trades is here. He loves coming here in the streams in the nighttime. That is my boy. Everyone say what's good to Tyler Trades. He's in the building. And you know what? Last time, you know what, T-Boy? I remember that. I remember you calling me. I remember you texting me. You go, I got the Granny Bundle, and it wasn't exactly what you hoped it to be. And you know what, Ty? I'm here to make it up to you. For just a small fee, just one more small fee of $150 a month, we could fix whatever went on with the train that happened to you. Unfortunately, Ty, you know, I know things can get rough sometimes. So you just one more fee. We'll send you the new. You know what happened? I didn't send you the new updated indicators. So so the V2, you know how like they sell a course and then there's like a V2? This is volume 2 for you, Tyler. So $150 extra a month. I'll send you the new updated indicators, okay? And that shouldn't happen. So, oh, this looks freaking glorious. Guys, look at it. Hold on, I gotta get my accounts ready. Guys, hold on. Hold on here. If this closes bearish and we invert, oh, God. Oh, great good golly. Gosh, this could be good. So, T-Boy, you can use... So, listen, if you want an affiliate code for my new indicators, I would glad you set you up for one, but there's going to be a small fee for setting you up as an affiliate of just a small payment of an initial fee to be an affiliate of the codes. It's going to be a very small fee. Very small fee, Ty. We're going to set you up. We'll get you a code. $10,000 will be the initial fee. And then after that, you and all your friends could charge $100, $150 a month for the Grandy indicators. And you could say that they have a 100% win rate. And then we could also be like Zeusy and Romeo and all the other amazing trading influencers out there who just have the best morality and really looking out for you guys. And you know what? We'll just be just like them. What competition, Digital Meeks? Tradeify? Wait, Digital Meeks, you talking about Tradeify? What are you talking about? What competition? You talking about the Tradeify? Oh, I'm joining that. The big one's hurt, Ty. Ty, the big one's hurt. I know. Listen. I look out for you. Us Tylers, we have... T-Boy, us Tylers, we got to look out for one another. You have... Tyler, you have the... Not only, I'm going to tell you right now, you have the most sexual, like, best name anyone could name a son out there, right? That name, it comes with a responsibility, right? Our responsibility, what is it? It's to tell people about Michael. We tell people about Michael and we deliver his message. We say, like I said, we come here. Hold on, let me relight my candle here. How much is the amputee bundle? Oh, no. Granny, don't go down that much. You got 2 minutes. Hold on, guys. I gotta get my... Wait, we gotta stop fucking around. I gotta get my accounts ready. This is gonna be sick. Let me get my accounts ready. Hold on here. Got that. Good. Okay. Let me make sure this is ready. Boom. I need MGC. We're gonna trade micro gold. We're gonna trade micro gold. That's the plan, right? Oh wow! Look at micro gold. Look at this shit. There's no fair value gap on the micro. Look at that. All right, that's fine. But the entry is gonna be here, though, right? Oh, you guys taught me how to do this shit. The lion needs to meet Granny. The lion doesn't concern himself. The lion doesn't concern himself with Uncle Festa or Old Man Jenkins. Granny doesn't. The lion doesn't concern himself with Uncle Festa or Old Man Jenkins. The lion hangs out with Old Man Jenkins on a regular basis. The lion's gonna meet Granny. No. Hold on. I'll look at it. Wait, I just want to... This is going to be the fair value gap here, right? Boom. There's that. So now... Okay. Now what we're going to need to do is this. This is what we're going to need to do. Based on how that closes, right? Fuck, this is going to be kind of annoying. This can be... Alright, so it's going to be a $2,000 account. We're going to risk $500. Wait, can you guys see what's going on? Hold on. I can't see. Hold on, I'm all messed up. Okay. You guys taught me how to do this. So, it'll be of $2,000 of drawdown. we'll risk $500 on the trade. And then it'll do it like that. So, quantity 1. Boom. Based off of where the stop would be. Oh, Granny, this looks so good. All right, there's the CRT. Now we just need to close below. This just needs to close below. Close below there and I'm in. All right. All right, guys. This just needs to close below and I'm in. We get a close below, I'm in this shit. And I'm taking the short. Are you guys ready? Hold on, let me light the candle. Let me relight the candle. ICT. ICT. Please invert this fair value gap for me, so I may take this trade with my community. ICT. ICT. Please invert this fair value gap for me, so I may take this trade with my community. Thank you. Alright. The ICT candle. Guys, and for a small fee of an extra $50 a month, I'll send you this profitability candle. It has to be specifically pumpkin spice scented. So if you want the profitability candle, this is also will be included with the granny bundle. It'll be the granny bundle. Roa, what's good? If it closes above, I'm looking for longs. Oof. I don't know, Preston. I don't know. Long in this is a bad idea, dude. Long in this right now it's scary. Now we swept this high inside of this 15-minute fair value gap. This is... I need this to close. Get down there, please, Grandma. Please. Grandma, get down there. Get down. Get down there. Let your hair down. Oh, well, you're going the wrong way. Five-minute has a granny? Where? Oh, I don't have granny on. Oh, wait, I don't have granny on. Hold on. Let me put granny on. Let me put granny on. Where's Grandma? Put Granny on. There she is. Granny's just such a naughty little girl. Where's Granny? There she is. Where's Granny? Oh, don't do that. Go the other way. Wrong way. Wrong way. Wrong way. Yo, Doom Lord, what's good? Roa, gold is insane. Change the session settings. What am I changing it to? 0. That didn't work. Look at this freaking thing. Get back down there. Please, Grandma. Please, Granny, get down there. Wow. Whoa. All right. Well. Double inversion on the 3. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's grandma there. Double inversion on the 3, but 1, 2, 3. Didn't happen soon enough. Wow. All right. How about them Steelers? Yo, I ain't a Steelers fan. Come on. I'm not even a Mariners fan. I just like the hat, so I got it. It looks cool. I'm a Yankees fan. I'm a Yankee fan. All right, maybe we can get an... Every time I do the ritual, the candles go the other way. Literally every single time. Every time I do the ritual, the candle goes the opposite direction. I got to start doing the ritual backwards. I got to start blowing the candle out. I think I got to blow the candle. Hold on, I want to raise my desk close. Because guys, I'm sitting Indian style right now. It's very comfortable. It's very comfortable. All right, maybe we can get... Dang, look at this thing go. Wowie. All right. Well, that's annoying. All right, maybe we can get it again, though. Maybe we can get it again. Maybe it wants this PD array instead. Maybe it wants this PD array instead. I don't know. We'll see. One hour OB. Guys, be careful. This could tap into this. Look, we're at the CE of here. Be careful right now. Be careful long in this right now, man. You guys got to exercise caution, right? This 1 hour candle could just be tapping into the CE. You know, you and I both know how gold liquidity wicks are, right? This could very well drive all the way back down. This could be a big wick on gold. You guys know how gold moves, especially in Asia, right? This could be a giant wick. This could be a big wick right here. Just be cautious, man, long in this right now. Be very, very cautious. That's all. You guys, listen, you got data on your system. You got data on your system and this goes with your edge. By all means, take your trade. But for me, there's no trade here right now for me. Nothing. I'm sitting here waiting. I'm just sitting here waiting. I would exercise extreme caution, man, longing from here. I really would. That's all. You guys do whatever you want, right? I could... We're just waiting. I'm telling you, man, just exercise extreme caution, please. I trust me. Trust me, man. I've been doing this a long time. If you long in this right now, it's dangerous, bro. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, bro. It's definitely not a high probability setup to long anything right now on this at all. There's no way. There's just no way. Longing anything right here is a high probability setup. Could it work out? Yeah. Is it something that I would build an edge around? No way, dude. No way. This could be guys, think about it like this, right? From this high to this low. We're in premium now, right? We're in premium. When this was occurring, we were just at equilibrium. This could happen here inside of this PD right now instead. That's it. Now, instead of hitting it on that PD array, we could do it here. From looking at, guys, from looking at what's going on, right? From looking at this and what's going on, how can you possibly say that you have a high probability chance, right, of taking a good long position here? How? Just go off of basic market structure. Ignore everything else. Just go off of market structure, right? We're making lower lows and lower highs, right? How could you build a framework and be like, yo, these are A+ conditions for me to long? Come on, man. Come on. How? How in the world could you possibly do that? Right? I don't know. I just don't see it. I don't see it. Personally, for me. It's just, if you were to take a trade on this, it would be a low probability setup, without a doubt. It would be low. It would be very low. You would not be in conditions that are most optimal for you to long this right now. You can't, bro. Look at the 1 hour. How could you say the 1 hour? How could you say this looks good? How could you say that you could build a bullish narrative of what's going on right now? How? How could this be a high probability situation? As opposed to something like this. As opposed to something like this, right? Where look at market, just go off of basic market structure. Look, higher highs, higher lows, right? What? Bullish PD arrays are being respected, right? This was a bearish PD array. We disrespected it. We're in the top Bollinger Band. We look strong. Strong bullish price action. We inverted, right? This is a high conviction play. Then I come to look like this. It's like, bro, how can I build a narrative here where I'm extremely confident to go long? How? I can't. There's just no way. Anything that works out here, down here, is low probability. Low, man. Very low. If this does work out, I'm telling you, the win rate on it isn't high. It's not. And the narrative on it isn't right. I'm just saying, man, I've been doing this a long time. The probabilities, like I said, could this work out? 100%. Are the conditions the most optimal? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. These conditions are not the most optimal for a long right now. And therefore, I don't want to put myself in that situation, right? I want to trade in the most optimal conditions possible. Because even in the most optimal conditions, right, your A+ setups are still going to fail. So why put myself in a low probability condition just to take a trade, right? If you have data on this, of course, by all means, take your trade. But as far as me right now and having the framework of what my data is, this is low, man. This is low. Anything and any bullish price action, in my mind, I should be wary of that it's just liquidity, right? It's a fake out. It's a bear trap. It's a bull trap, right? It's just a trap. Just for me right now and what's going on, this is very bearish, man. It's very bearish. We're very distended, right? Where we closed below this fair, like we inverted this fair value gap here. We're like, look at the weekly chart, bro. Look at the weekly chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks green. 8 weeks green, bro. 8 weeks. This is parabolic behavior. For this to even sustain some sort of healthy price action, we have notice how equilibrium of this range comes perfectly to equilibrium of this fair value gap. Do you see that? From the low here, from the swing low here to the swing high. To even maintain some sort of healthy price action, this has to come back down, man. It has to. You're in parabolic fucking price action right now. Parabolic. This is not normal price action. This is news-driven fear of what was going on in the markets. News. This is not normal. For this to come, this needs to come back down and gain some more steam to go higher, right? Notice how you got to at least come back down to this equilibrium, man. You have to on the weekly chart. And it happens to tap right into this perfect weekly fair value gap. You guys got to understand how the market moves, right? This is not healthy, bro. This isn't normal. This is not normal. I'm sorry. It's not. This is a historical event. Historical price action. We're 8 weeks green, bro. Not normal. We need to come back down. And you need to be able to build that narrative in your head, right? Now, also on the daily chart. Look at the price action. Now, look, we disrespected this PD array. We inverted this daily fair value gap, right? Things are starting to slow down now. Things are starting to come to a halt. We need to come back down to build steam to go higher, man. It's just how the market moves. It's the ebb and flow of the market. It needs some healthy reaction. You guys think this is a big sell-off. This is not. This is not big at all. By any means. This isn't big. This is healthy for gold right now. Gold went on an astronomical move. Okay? This is healthy for gold right now. This needs to happen. This needed to happen. So just bear that in mind, okay? When you think, oh my God, we're on an astronomical dump, we're not. In the grand scheme of things, we're really not at all. You know what I mean? You got to look at it from that perspective, right? 8 weeks green is not normal. That's it. This is normal, healthy price action for gold right now to rebalance. We're rebalancing on the weekly chart, right? Look at this. Do I think this weekly chart do I think this weekly candle closes red? Yes. I don't think that we're closing 9 weeks green, bro. I don't think we flipped this weekly candle. No way. No way. I don't think we flipped this weekly candle. I think this is going to be the first red day. This is going to be the first red weekly candle in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks. 2 months. 2 freaking months of green. This weekly candle, I strongly think closes red. This is going to be the first week where we close red after this 2 months of green. And it's completely normal, guys. This needs to happen, right? So just bear that in mind, right? What are you guys saying? This is a cool down. That's it. Yeah, 100%. Every bullish imbalance is going to have a bearish. Every bullish imbalance is going to have a bearish imbalance. Correct. So we need to rebalance what all those bullish fair value gaps that happened on the weekly, right? Also the daily, and we had the inversion here, right? Here's the inversion. Now the daily PD array, right? The narrative has shifted now. It's like, okay, now since we closed below, we didn't respect this anymore. The narrative in your mind should shift a little, right? The daily chart's looking, we closed below this fair value gap. Right here, if this daily candle closes red, now you're going to be closing below 2 fair value gaps. Now both of these are going to be inverted. So it's like, okay, this could be the time where now gold is starting to cool down, right? So that's kind of the narrative you just got to build with yourself. And I'm just saying, any long position here right now is low probability, man. I promise you. It's not a high probability situation. And see, look, this could be the wick. Here's the wick now. Gold is extremely volatile, man. It has huge wicks. I mean, some of the biggest wicks out of any asset you'll ever see. This and NQ. But gold, to me, it creates the biggest wicks out of any asset, man. It moves fast. It's extremely volatile. So you got to know that although you're all the way up here, this could be a giant wick by the time this thing closes in 40 minutes. It's that powerful. Gold is insane. So just be cautious. That's all. I'm just telling you guys to exercise caution. That's all I could tell you to do. And look at this. Look at this. Here we go. Does it want it here instead? Does it want it here instead, chat? Maybe. We may want it here instead. Let's see what happens. Right? Let's see if we close bearish here. We swept the high. We're inside this 15-minute fair value gap. Do we close lower here now? It may have just wanted to do it in this PD array. We'll see. Because now, look, we could potentially have the same setup, right? Let's wait and see how this candle closes. Exactly. Tyler trades for days. It does. Using hard stops on gold is difficult, right? So one thing that I've managed to do on gold is that, I'm trying to get the model to the point where, my initial entry will be slightly smaller because I know that there's a strong chance that it could go and just grab some sort of liquidity and then I could add into it, right? So you kind of you either got to do this, right? You got to go based off of your data, right? This is what I would suggest, especially trading gold. you got to go based off your data. If you're like, okay, maybe I need to utilize more of my first entry could be slightly smaller because there's a chance, right? If the trade takes off without you and you're in profit and it's a half size entry, then it's okay. But if you get an initial entry and then you can get some sort of liquidity wick and then you could add into that, right? That's one thing you could add in. And also, if you want to, start, I don't recommend this until you're extremely, extremely expert, like have tons of data. Use more of a mental stop because based off of your data and things that you've seen in the past, that you could execute more of a mental stop instead of a hard stop. I don't recommend any of you guys do that, especially on things that are going on in the markets right now, or until you're way more experienced and have the data in the market to even do such a thing. Just use a hard stop, right? If you get stopped on your first entry and you can get a re-entry, you go ahead and take that. Because think about it like this. Our risk to reward is very high. If you get stopped initially, it's all good, right? You take a re-entry. Your first entry could be a smaller sized entry. And if you get stopped on the initial, it's all good. If it takes off without you and you're in the trade, right? And it takes off only a half size entry, whatever. Profit's profit, right? This looks very good. This looks very, very good. 8 minutes. 8 minutes here. Let's see how this closes. This may be the entry we want. This looks really freaking good, man. Did we get it? All right. And then we could have something like this. So let's get rid of this. Let's do this. Boom. This looks good, man. I like this. I like this, guys. I like this. I like this a lot. I just need Granny to stay right up there. Granny, don't go too low. Don't go too low, Grandma. Don't let your hair down just yet. Don't, Grandma. I said don't let your hair down just yet. No. Bad gold. Bad gold. Stay there. Stay there. No. Bad gold. Stay there, I said. I said stay. No. Bad gold. Stay there. Stop making my fair value gap smaller and smaller. You stay right there. Good. You stay right here. You stay right here. I want it. Yes. Stay there. 7 minutes. You're in? Where were you in at? You were short at 41.25? We're looking for a potential sell. This needs to... I like this, man. Please close like this and then invert. Close like this and invert, and this is going to be freaking good, dude. This is going to be freaking good. Listen. I like this trade. I like this potential trade right here. Stay right there for the next 6 minutes. I'm not doing the ritual. I'm not doing the ritual because you know what happened. It always goes the other way. Let's see what we cook up. I'm not doing the ritual. I promise. I promise I won't jinx it. This is, yes, this is trading with Grandma. This is Gilf Trades, trading with Grandma. Maxim, I always trade, when we do the Asia model, I always trade on the 15-minute. This is what we call, I'm going to rename this. This is called the Gilf. This is now called the Gilf. Here's Grandma. She's looking good. She's looking good tonight, right? She looks good. But, oh my God. Who? Oh no. Oh God. Oh God. Hold on. Oh. Oh no. Oh my God. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Come back to my place, Granny? They had a few. They had a few. You know I can't say no to you, Mr. Jenkins. Oh my God. Look at this. Here we go. Here we go. Without the teeth. Hold on. Hold on here. Beep beep. Beep beep. Boop boop. Hold on. Oh. Oh God. Oh, I walked in on him again. Oh no. I walked in on him again. But then, who is this? But then who's this? Michael's like, hey. This is Michael. While we wait for this, guys. Here's Michael. Hey, can I join in the fun? Oh my God. This is Michael. Hey, can I join in the fun? Look at these two. Look at, and that's me. That's me. I got stuck under the bed. I was looking for Grandma's loose change, and I got stuck under the bed. And now what? It's Grandma, Old Man Jenkins, and Michael. Yo, this looks so good. All right, close. Grandma left it dead. Yeah, can I join the fun? Sure. And this is what we call. This is the GILF model. GILF model. Here you go. Right here, guys. Boom. This is my model. Okay? It's some of the best you'll ever see. This is the model right here. Boom. Boom. Right here. I renamed it. All right. This is the plan. Oh, look at how small this one is. Oh no, the family got messed up. Here we go. The family's back. All right, here we go. Here we go. We're going to keep this on here for good luck. For good luck. Are you guys ready? This is going to close in a minute and 50 seconds. What's the talks? So this is essentially what's going on here. So for this model, Old Man Jenkins just came around, right? He came around, and what happened here is they went to here. Oh no. Where did they go? They went on a night on the town, right? Grandma, Uncle Fester. Here's Uncle Fester, Uncle Old Man Jenkins, and Granny Witherspoon. They went out drinking. Night on the town. They went to the hoedown. Next thing you know, hey, come back to my place, Granny? You know I can't say no to you, Mr. Jenkins. Who do they see on the way out? Michael. This isn't just any Michael. This is Michael Huddleston, ICT. He goes, hey, can I join the fun? Absolutely. Now, it's a 3-man mission. And then there's Tyler. Oh, man, how did I get stuck under the bed again? Granny on the 1 minute. All right, this is about to close in 30 seconds. We got 30 seconds till this closes. Here we go. We just need an inversion. All we need is an inversion. We got life alert ready for Grandma. She's fallen and she can't get up. Life alert is ready. All right. I'm only going to be entering this on futures. Oh, get down there, please. Go. Dump it. Let your hair down, Grandma. Do I do the ritual? Okay. So, guys, you can either do this. Say we close. This is the plan. Say we close here, right? Say we close down here. Say we close down here. You could either have your, if you want a tighter stop, you could have it here. If you want a more conservative trade, you could have it at the swing high. Okay? I'm not going to tell you, I'll probably have my stop somewhere here. I'll give it a little bit of room over the FVG. Right? But if you really want a conservative trade, you could put it over the swing high because this will be a protected high at this point. At this point, this high will be protected. If this goes anywhere over this high, this is a swing failure, right? So if we invert, I'll probably have my stop here, something like this. So if we close like this, it'll be a trade like this. And I'll let this go overnight. I'm going to let this go overnight. Your first TP could 100% be this wick. This would be your first TP, right? Because this is a big liquidity wick. This is a good draw on liquidity. This could be your first TP. And then you can leave a runner. But this has to obviously invert, right? This has to come down and invert. And it doesn't have to do it on this candle. It has to come and close below it, right? We need to see this close below. If this closes below, we're chilling. This closes below, we're chilling. No ritual. All right. Yo, let's, while we wait, guys, while we wait, do you guys want to do the, you want to just see we'll run the giveaway. Let's run the giveaway while we wait. Is that cool? We'll run the giveaway, guys. We'll get you guys involved in the giveaway. Let me ask Ant what the word is. What's the word, my boy? All right, yo, enter. What about all the liquidity above? To me, guys, I execute the plan, right? If I go off my data, I don't care about this. I don't care about the liquidity above. If I get an inversion here, this is my playbook. So I'm taking the trade no matter what. I'm taking the trade no matter what. Because why? I'm going off my data. I don't use like, but maybe it's going to do this. No. I go off the data. If this closes below and inverts, I take the trade. If I get stopped out, I don't care. I do not care. Because why? The probabilities will play out. If I get stopped on a trade, I'll hit the next trade for a 1 to 15 R. It'll make up for the next 15 trades. Okay, yo. Use exclamation point Jenkins. Exclamation point Jenkins one time. Right now. If you want to enter the giveaway, we're going to be doing funded next accounts, alpha accounts, I think Apex, and then TradeZella. Exclamation point Jenkins. Exclamation point Jenkins one time in the chat right now. All right, get down there, please. Yes, yes. Dump it. Dump it. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Get down there. Get down there, please. Go. Hey. Hello. Just Apex and Alpha. Just Apex and Alpha tonight, guys. No TradeZella? Get down there and close, please, Grandma. Come on. Guys, we only got 2 giveaways tonight. Only 2. If this closes below, I'm in, bro. If this closes below, I'm so in. This looks so good. Please close below. Just get down there. Let your hair down, Granny. It's okay. Guys, make sure you're trading micros. Make sure you're trading micros, okay? No, you do not, under any circumstances, trade minis. We're trading micros, okay? Let me get my accounts up. Hold on here. Get my accounts up. I want MGCZ. Boom. We want MGCZ. Boom. We want MGCZ. Make sure you're trading micros, guys. Okay? Do not trade minis. For the love of God. Please. Let me make sure that's good. That is also good. Boom. Hold on. MGCZ. Boom. We want to go to the 15-minute chart. What is this? Accounts. MGCZ. All right. That's good there. What is this? All right. Perfect. 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 All right. Yes, guys. Say we get off stream, right? Say we get off stream. If this inverts down here, off stream, I'll still take the trade. And I'll be in the Discord. I'll still be up trading this. If, say we don't get this by 10 o'clock by the time the stream ends, if this happens after stream, I'll still take it. I will still take it. We just got to invert. We have to invert this. This has to get inverted. I would still take this trade. Why enter at 4,100? No, I'm just seeing how we would close potentially. I'm going off of how my risk would be here. Okay, this would be 6 micros. Boom. All right. Dang, man, come on, get down there. Thanks, Miss Lorena. You're the best. That's it, guys. I go with my data. You know what? I don't care about what's going on up here. If my setup is here, I take my setup. That's it. I don't go off anything else other than my setup. You know? That's all you can do. Just go off your data, man. I have good data on this. So, I take the trade. Get down there, Grandma. Go! No, it's not a limit trade. I'm just... Guys, you know what I suck at doing? You want to know what I suck at doing? Figuring out my lot sizes. I'm horrible at it. So I'm trying to get used to just using this tool now. And I didn't know that, like, you set the account size and it's like, all right, everything's good and it's done for you. And it tells you the quantity right there. I didn't know any of this. Because I'm so used to using Trade Locker and CFDs that I've never, like, used this tool. So I'm getting used to it. I'm getting used to it now. All right, get down there. Get down there. Here we go. Please, Grandma. Please. Dump it. Get down there. We got 6 minutes. Looks good, man. Looks good. It's okay if it happens on the next candle. So can you guys give me an idea? Lot size for $700 to... Lot size for 700 to risk 200? Yes, correct, SFS. Correct. Yes, we'll still take it. We'll still take it. Yo, what do you mean? So can you guys give me an ideal... Can you give me an ideal lot size for 700 to risk 200? So you want to make $700 to risk 200? Is that what you're saying? There you go. 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 Yeah? Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yes, please. Yup. Yeah. Go. Go. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yes, please. Yes, Granny. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, look who just popped. Oh, look who just popped up there. Look who just popped up there. The grandma. Look at Granny. Oh, wait. No, wait. Look who just popped up there. Look who just popped up there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Close right there. Look who just popped up there. Hold on here. See, now we go here. Okay. Four. Look at this freaking. This is nice. Oh no! Don't you dare! Don't you freaking do it! You close. Look at you, dirty dog. You dirty, dirty dog. Grandma, look at Grandma up there. Oh, Granny. Yo, look at Grandma. Granny, you stay right there. Oh man, this is 5 micros. No, 4. 4? 4 micros so far? 4 micros. 3. Alright, we got 3 minutes. We got 3 minutes till glory. We got 3 minutes till glory. What we got here? I'll probably go 4 micros. Probably be my risk. $500, right? So this one, 500. 500 times 4, 8, 12, 16 micros. Okay. 20 micros. No, Granny, you dirty little girl. You close down there. Invert it. Yeah. We don't care about the 5-minute bullish FVG. We don't care. No. Granny, don't do that. You dirty girl. You know what? You too. Both of you. Enough. I had enough of your antics. You get down there. Know what? I'm taking your drinks away. I'll take your dang drinks away. Well, get down there, and I won't take your drinks away. You get down there right now. I won't ask again. I won't ask again, Grandma. You freaking get down there. You got 2 minutes to do it. Come on. Push. You dirty little dog. Oh, come on. You little granny. Unbelievable. Alright, well, we're gonna have to wait for another 15-minute candle now. I thought that was it, guys. I got too excited. Come on, dump it down there. You got a minute left. Can you do it? Can you make me happy? Get down there, please. Grandma? You got a minute left. Please, Granny. Yep. Yes. 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 Yeah. Get down there. Go ahead. Let your hair down. I'll get you a gift certificate to the salon. Go ahead. Let your hair down. It's okay. Go ahead. I know what you want. Dump it. Dump it. Go. You dirty little girl. Go ahead. Let your hair down. You get down there and you invert it. Go ahead. Go ahead. It's okay. Don't embarrass me on the live stream, Goldie. Don't. You gonna do that? You gonna embarrass me in front of my friends? You gonna do that to me, huh? Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot, Grandma. You dirty girl. All right, we gotta wait. We gotta wait again. All right, let's do the giveaway. Guys, keep me updated. We're gonna do the giveaway. We'll do the 2 giveaways. We'll do the ducky races. And keep me updated if we invert. Keep me updated if we invert. Let's do the giveaways. Because it's 9:45. Let's do the 2 giveaways. And then let me know if we invert. Let me know if we invert. Okay? Is that cool? Is that cool? Are you guys cool with that? Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it, baby. Let's do it, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right, let's do the giveaways. If we invert, you guys got to let me know ASAP. We're going to do the giveaways. If we invert, you guys watch the charts. You know what we're looking for. You let me know ASAP, and we immediately end the ducky race, okay? You got to let me know, though. Even if we're in the race. Okay, let's do it. Ant, did you send me the stuff? Ant, did you send me the stuff? Ant. I'm waiting for Ant to send me the list. Okay, I got the list. I got the list. Let me know if we invert, guys. Let me know if we invert. This can go away. This can go here. Boom. Here we go. All right. Copy. And we're going to do edit list. Boom. Clear list. Paste. Oh, wait. Clear list. Paste. All right. Are you guys ready? This is everyone who made it. This is everyone who made it. Who's in here? Yo, we got a lot of big... We got... Oh! Babs Toy Truck? Shrimpy Sauce. Everyone watch out for Shrimpy Sauce. He's been hot on the giveaways. Oh, you guys can see my emails. God. Shit. I know, my fucking emails are up. You guys just seen all my emails. Hold on, let me log in. I gotta do this off screen. You guys can't see this shit. Hold on. I gotta log in. No, I'm logging in. I'm logging in. It logged me out. Hold on. I'm logging in. How do I get this back to there? There you go. All right. Now, I got the new list. Copy. Paste. What are you talking about? Was there only 100 people in here? I logged in. I'm in premium. You guys could see. Premium. Right? Edit list. Clear list. There's only 100 people. Wait, why does it say only 100? Add up to 1,000 ducks. Add up to 1,000 ducks. Home. Right? I'm in the premium. If I go to edit list. Oh, there we go. There we go. I fixed it. Okay. Okay, I fixed it. 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 Here we go. Let me check gold. Get down here, gold. Guys, you'll let me know, right? You gonna keep me posted? You keep me posted if we invert. Keep me posted. All right, what is this for? All right, first account for Apex Trader Funding giveaway. If you guys win, I will give you an... If you're a strawberry head, if you are a strawberry head, I will give you an... I will add in... I will make it 2 Apex accounts. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. We have Mike Alator. Mike Alator looking strong on the left-hand side. Mike Alator looking strong. Here's Mukesh. Here comes Mukesh. Little strawberry. Mukesh, the little strawberry head. But here comes Sahad Fax 10M. Sahad Fax 10M looking good. But here's SVJ. SVJ and Carl S. Neck and neck. But here comes Mukesh. Mukesh. The British are coming. The British are coming. Here comes RXBBY. RXBBY and Junior Michael. The conductor. The conductor, the king of the castle. Oh my God, a little strawberry. Karina. Karina looking good. Who's this? Oh my God, Mr. Top Hat. Oh God. Oh my God. Could it be? You little Top Hat. You little freaking Top Hat mix. Congratulations, mix. You are the winner of Apex Trader Funding Account. Congratulations, Mr. Top Hat. Mr. Toppity Tippity Top Hat. Congratulations, little Top Hat, man. Where'd you get your top hat at? I love it. It's gorgeous. Can I try it on, little Top Hat man? I like it, Mr. MX. MX. Congratulations, Mix. I don't know how to say your name, but if I were to sound it out and say it, it would sound like that. It would be like Mix. Gold? Gold? What do you mean? Oh my God. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Yes. Get down there, you naughty little girl. You get down there. All right, guys, keep me posted. We got 8 minutes. Keep me posted. Let's do we got one more. We only have one more giveaway. Let's run the next one. It's for Alpha Capital account. Let's run the last one and we'll focus on gold. Race again. Shuffle characters. This is for an Alpha Capital account. Are you ready? On your mark, get set, go. Who we got? Oh, we got TGT Trades. The doctor. But here comes oh, my boy DBT. The little queen, the little fairy, the little fairy duck. But here, who's this? Surf Flat Trader? TGT Trades running away with it. The doctor. He's coming with his stethoscope. He's going to come check you out. But who is this? Sad Monday. Oh my gosh. Sad Monday looking good. But it's a nice Tuesday. Oh my God, little strawberry head. Here's Yammy on the left-hand side. Yammy whammy. Yammy whammy. Whammy yammy. Congratulations, you little yammy whammy. You are the winner of an Alpha Capital account. But let me get one thing straight here. Did you maintain integrity here at the DOFF is what it comes down to. We maintain strict rules, criteria, and regulations here at the Duck Racing Federal Foundation. I am the CEO, the head honcho, the founder, the co-founder, the COO, the CFO, the CEAO, the everything. And we will test you a full urine, full blood panel, and a colorectal exam to make sure you are not using any performance-enhancing substances, Yammy. Yammy whammy. All right, let's go back to... All right, guys. Listen. They're running a tight ship here over at ChartFanatics, okay? And you know what? That's all they give. I don't even have a TradeZella account tonight. Do you think I'm upset? How do I do my streams without saying 6, count 'em, 6 months TradeZella? Yeah, we don't have one tonight. Yeah. I don't even care that Riz is sleeping. I woke him up out of his sleep. I said, this can't... I said to him, this can't happen, pal. I get on these streams. And listen, I don't care if Marco streams. I don't care if Mike streams. I do the TradeZilla giveaways. I do them. Okay? So Big Mike or Marco, if you're watching... I do the TradeZella giveaways. I do them. Why? Because it's my thing. So, we're running a tight ship here, and the people need giveaways. So, everyone in the ChartFanatics team, I'm sending emails out. Because this is unacceptable behavior. The people need me to say, 6, count 'em, 6 months, TradeZella, and I can't tonight. You know why? Because we're getting cheap over here. Okay? Go to chart. Oh, okay. Hold on here. It might be go time. Hold on here. Put my desk down. It's go time. It's go time, kid. It's freaking go time. Get down here. It's go time, guys. It's go time, guys. Here we go. Let me shut this duck up. I got too much shit on this freaking chart. Hold on. I'm all confused now. Alright, beautiful. This is kind of what we want to see here. Alright, Granny. Just go down. A little bit. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yep. 4 minutes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Don't go too far. Don't go too far now. Don't go too far now. Do something like this. 4 micros. Okay. Okay. Oh, don't go too far now. Here you go, 4. Yep. Yeah, this looks good, bro. This looks good. All right, we got 3 minutes. We got 3 minutes here. Oh, don't do this again. Don't do it. Just close below. There you go. 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. Yes, stay right there. No. Stay right there. Oh, that's 7 micros. 7 micros? No way. That's a lot. I'll probably just hit it with 4. That's plenty. Come on, Grandma. Just go down there. Oh my. Yeah. 2 minutes. Look at this. Don't you dare do this to me. Go down. Just stay there. You dirty little girl. Go down. Pain in the ass, dude. Don't do this. Don't do this again. Don't do this again. Just stay down there. Go. Come on. Yes. Okay. 90 seconds. We need 90 seconds. Oh. This looks good. All right. 60 seconds, chat. 60 seconds. 60 seconds and I'm in. Here we go. It's gotta close. All right, here. Stay right there. Don't get too far now. Don't get too far. 4. Stay right there. 40 seconds. Oh, big push. I'm gonna go 4 micros. All right, 20 seconds. 20 seconds. 15. I'm gonna go 3 micros on this. 3 micros. 3 micros, that's it. That's all you need. You don't need more than that. 3 micros. Okay. 1. All right, I'm in. I'm in 3 micros. I'm in 3 micros. 3 micros. Hold on, let me get it on my other accounts. Let me get it on my other accounts. Quick. Oh.
Order filled.
Too much. No.
Order filled.
This I need 3 micros.
Order filled.
3 micros.
Order filled.
3 micros.
Order filled.
3 micros.
Order filled.
Beautiful.
Order filled.
Wrong account.
Order filled.
Where are we at? Where are we at? All right, you're good. You're good. Hold it. 4.
Order filled.
3
Order
micros.
filled.
3 micros. Count them. 3. Count them. 3 micros. This may wick me out.
Order filled. Order filled.
Wow. I didn't even get to set a stop yet. Jesus Christ. I'm still in. I didn't even get to set a stop.
Order filled. Order filled.
I didn't even get to take the trade anywhere yet. All right, I'm stopped. I'm taking the stop here. I'm taking the small stop here.
Filled.
I'm taking the stop. I'm down. I'm literally didn't even get to take enough trades. I'm down $100. I'm taking a small stop there. I literally lost $100. I couldn't even get it in the trade on time.
Order filled.
I'm taking a stop there. I want to see us close below again, and then I'll take another entry.
Order filled.
It was tight, man. It was tight. All right, I took a stop on that. I don't know. I still really like this, man, to go lower. Maybe my stop was too tight. Give it enough room to fucking breathe. Should have been up here. Should have gave it more room to breathe. I want to see how we react. Yeah, I got stopped on the initial entry there. Yeah, you moved the stop higher. Guys, I literally couldn't even get into the trade fast enough. By the time I got in, the candle was here. And I lost like $100. I like that, though. If we could reclaim it, I would take it again. Yeah, it was just, my stop was so tight, dude. It was tight. It's all right. If we reclaim this again, I want to see how this candle closes. I probably should have had it at this high, right? It would have been protected. It's just too big. I don't like having a stop that big. That's what it was. And based on my data, when I keep it here, you know, this should have ran right away. It should have dumped. So to me, this is kind of a bad sign. When I get in this trade like this shouldn't have really came in, and this should have been protected at this point. It came up right away, and now it's probably going to invert it. So this was a good trade to get out of kind of early. I'm cool with it. So I took a stop there. Let me check my other accounts just to make sure I'm chilling. I didn't even get to enter it there. Yeah, I literally lost. I lost it says here I lost $152. I didn't even get to enter it fast enough. Still like the trade. I still like the idea of the short. You put your stop above here, right? The swing high. This would have been better. Right? This is a protected high at this point. If we reclaim this again and close below, I'll take it again. We'll see, though. I took a pretty quick stop out on that, though. Can't lie. I liked that trade, though. That was a decent trade. I was okay with that. I had a nice tight stop. My stop was right. I literally couldn't even get all of my entries in because I had to go and execute them. So it should have been a bigger loss than it was, to be honest. Yeah, I mean, I still liked the trade, man. I thought it was a good trade. I'm okay with that loss. Like, we were inside this 15-minute fair value gap, you know? We were inside this 15. You know, it was a good trade, man. It was a good loss. I'll take it. I'm cool with that, you know? You know, what can you do? What can you do? You're down 6K. Why the hell are you risking that much, bro? Why do I not care for a 5-minute FEG? Because it's just, that's not the model, bro. That's not my model. Like, I'm not looking at the 5-minute at all. I'm not looking at this 5-minute at all. It's not my model. My model was to take that trade. Am I going to lose trades? Of course. It happens, right? My risk to reward's really high. Do I care about losing a trade? No. All right? It's insignificant in the long run, right? You execute your system. My system was to take this trade, so I took it. The fact that I lost, and I took the loss, and I took a good loss, and I'm not in the mindset of having to revenge trade and get it back, that's already putting me ahead of 95% of the traders, right? Because I don't give a shit that I lost the trade. My next trade, when it's a winner, I'm going to win huge. And in the grand scheme of things, this is going to mean nothing. It's going to mean literally nothing. So the fact that I could walk away from this and literally not give a shit, like, I took a loss tonight. Do I care? No. I'm looking at my accounts right now. It says I lost, what did I lose on this account? I lost $252 here. I lost $238 on this account. I lost, what else? I lost $152 here. I don't care, man. In the grand scheme of things, my wins are huge. This means nothing. It's a small little paper cut. That's it. I have tight stops. I got out enough. I gave myself enough room. The trade stopped me out right away. We immediately reclaimed this fair value gap. It's more bullish than I thought, which is okay. At the end of the day, I executed my system. That's all you can do, right? So I'm okay with the loss tonight. We're going to wrap it up there. You know, that's what you guys say. It's like, why did you do this? Why didn't you do that? It's like, this is my model. This is the system. The system doesn't have a 100% win rate, guys. It's not the reality of trading. You're going to lose trades. As long as you adhere to your system, I had adequate risk management. As soon as I entered the trade, I was okay with losing the money. I thought it was a great trade, right? Things happen, right? Could it go and draw, like you guys said? Could it go and draw up to these highs? Very well can, right? We could sweep these highs and then go lower. But unfortunately, it was just an unlucky day. The trade didn't pan out, and we're cool. You live to trade another day. That's the main thing, right? Preservation of capital. I took a small paper cut. In the grand scheme of things, it's going to be meaningless in the long term. You don't care about one trade. You care about 100 trades. How does my outlook look on 100 trades? One trade is meaningless, right? So I took my loss like a champion, had a really good risk, was okay with the loss, don't feel the need to revenge trade. I'll come back tomorrow and look for another setup. That's it, man. That's how you stay in this game long term, right? You gotta be able to not give a fuck if you lose. That's when you're gonna make it. I don't care that I lost this trade. I do not care at all. It's fine. I'm gonna go to bed and we're gonna execute tomorrow. We're gonna come back another day, see if we can get another trade opportunity. That's it. Yeah, man. That's it. So I'm going to wrap the stream up there. Took my loss. All good. Yeah, and we'll see if we can get another trade tomorrow. I appreciate every single one of you that tuned into the stream tonight. I love all you guys. Had an amazing night. Although we did take a loss, part of the game, part of the journey. You can't win them all. Like I said, we will always maintain 100% transparency in this game. And yeah, took a loss tonight. All good. Thank you for every single one of you guys for tuning in and making the stream amazing. You know, unfortunate that the trade didn't pan out tonight, but it is what it is. You live to trade another day. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I love and appreciate every single one of you out there. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for everyone for always showing me so much support. I love each and every single one of you guys. I'll be in the Discord if you guys want to chat, talk about the trade. But took the L. That's all you can do. Until next time, love you guys. Peace out.